Hi y'all, welcome back to another video. This one is absolutely packed. This is just a nice fall weekend. I did some recipes, dinner ideas. I did some fall and Halloween baking, some clothing hauls for the kids for winter clothes, and of course we got into some cleaning and I even deep cleaned the kitchen closet and the kitchen. So let's just hop right in. This is an absolutely packed video. And right off the bat was not going to plan because I slept in way too late on the weekend. I had to literally open my eyes and go get my Walmart pickup order. I got a few food items and then I got some clothing for our youngest. So I'm going to haul that for you really quick, but don't mind me. I literally had just opened my eyes and I hadn't even had coffee yet. So I just got pants and stuff to go on top, and they didn't have one of the pairs of pants, and they didn't have that cute bluey set. Had this set with airplanes on it. What? So anyway, I meant to get the dinosaur set, but I accidentally got the plane set. But it's a t-shirt with sweatpants and a sweater that matches. And I got black sweats, these super cute dinosaur sweats, these light green ones, and I thought I would pizzazz him up with some orange. Isn't that cute? Mm-hmm. And I had a dark blue in here that they were out of stock of. There was also a gray pair in another bag. Cutie. Got that sweater. I got these three are like zip up, like actual jackets, like quarter zip, like that. Blue, black, and green. And a plain black sweat top, and a dinosaur sweat top. So I'm kind of bummed about those blue pants because they would have gone with two of the sweaters. So right after that, I hopped into making breakfast. I was really craving biscuits and gravy, so that is what I'm making here. I just got 6 little sausage patties and about a quarter of an onion diced up. Gonna get this all browned down in the pan, put some flour to make a roux, and use milk to make the gravy. Just got some Pillsbury biscuits going in the oven, and I just like to season my biscuits and gravy with salt, pepper, and onion powder, but you can pretty much do whatever you want. And that was just like a good hearty breakfast. The kids love it, I love it, my husband loves it. It is so good every time. Biscuits and gravy is just one of those good solid breakfasts, like you can't go wrong. And we have a big day ahead of us, so everybody needed a big full belly. After I ate and finished up my coffee, I just speed cleaned this kitchen as fast as I could because I did not want to be behind on these dishes, and I wanted to just clear everything out, wipe the counters down, and get the crock pot going before we left. I was just going like a racehorse this morning because I woke up late. I had so many things I wanted to do still, though, but we had to get to the city 2 hours away by the time our Sam's pickup was, so I was on crunch time here, speeding through. So I'm just loading up the dishwasher, hand washing anything that was left over that didn't fit, wiping down all the counters, and then I'm grabbing that crock pot that I literally just washed, and I am starting some dinner for us. So I'm just doing kind of a Marry Me chicken style chicken soup. I got 2 pounds of chicken legs here, and I'm going to list all the seasonings on the screen. And then I just put half a cup of heavy cream, a cup of water, and some chicken bouillon, and salt and pepper. And this water plus the chicken bouillon will make it chicken broth, plus any of the liquid that comes out of the chicken will also add to that. I also put half of an onion and about half of the jar of these, what are these, sun-dried tomatoes, plus half of the oil in there. This was so good. And yeah, I'll show you how I finished it later on once we get back from Sam's. But I got this going in the crock pot, and then we went to Sam's, and we also went to Spirit Halloween. So I'm going to show you guys what we got there as well. And while I was doing all that, my husband was getting the kids ready, and he straightened up the living room for me and vacuumed. This was after Sam's, of course. You know, you got to get your little reward of $1 pizza. Once we were home, my husband started putting away everything from Sam's, and I wanted to finish off this soup. It is so easy. I just added a bag of these frozen cheese tortellinis after I took out the meat and shredded it up, and then you just add the chicken back in, leave it for about 15 minutes because those noodles just have to thaw out. And there it is, Marry Me chicken soup with cheese tortellinis. This was so good. I loved it. My husband loved it. My kids loved it. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And it was so easy. Well, I look much better in this clothing haul than I did in this morning. So we just got back from Sam's. We just got done putting everything away, but I did get clothes at Sam's too. A little Sherpa lined jacket for Jax. How stinking cute is that? And then also, they didn't have any of these in Oliver's size, or we would have gotten some in his size too probably, but this is just like a nice fluffy, perfect, so cute. What a cute jacket. And then we got this play set is what it's called. It's just like a matching little sweatsuit set for Jax. And then we got one final play set for Oliver. And that's so cute. Just says have a good day, sweatpants and a long sleeve. So I think they are all set for winter, for comfy clothes. They're good to go. Oliver just needs so much stuff like this because he goes to daycare and they don't go outside. So he really just needs this. He does have those thicker jackets that I showed this morning, like the zip up that he could layer over a sweater. So he could layer up, and he also has a Carhartt, but I wouldn't even bother putting that on him to go to daycare in because he's literally outside for 10 seconds getting into the car and 10 seconds getting out, and then they don't go outside. So, and you can't put those big jackets on them in the car anyway because the belt can't go over them properly. I completely forgot to show you guys that we also went to Spirit Halloween while we were in the city. My kids are Bluey obsessed, so we got the Bluey 5T60, like the full body. And of course we wanted the full body for Oliver too, but they didn't have it in his size. It was sold out. They had like this, it has a little tail and like the hood part, but it's just a zip up jacket. And then they also had like a poncho style, but he wanted this zip up jacket. And this is gonna come in handy because their birthday is next month. And of course they want it, they both have birthdays in November and they both want Bluey theme. So now they also have a birthday outfit. So that worked out good for me. Also had all these Bluey accessories while we were there. They had sunglasses, wristbands, hair ties. I think that was it. Hats and slippers actually too. But what I mainly was like so amped about was these Bluey tattoos, like the temporary tattoos that you put on with water. So they'll probably use a couple for Halloween. So I got an extra one for their birthday parties. So that's fun. And then I got this for myself, mainly for the gems under the eyes. I thought that was so cool because I do want to do like a cool gem skull. If you don't know, I have a whole other YouTube channel about makeup and stuff, and I've been doing Halloween makeup whenever I have time. So I saw these and I was already thinking about doing a gem rhinestone skull. So got those to try out. So I have my little baking drawer of all my sprinkles and all that. So I have these from last year. I was trying to find this sprinkle kit that had these super cute like Halloween-y sprinkles, and they had gravestones, which I was super disappointed I couldn't find. But I do have these from last year, so I'm thinking of making pumpkin cupcakes, and then I can just use, I mean, obviously that's what this is for. And I'll just use these little toppers. And I have dye, and I also have like these black sprinkles that I can make the buttercream or whatever frosting red or black or any color that I want. And then, yeah, I have these from last year. I saw these again this year at Walmart. I love these. I'll probably put some of these skulls I have to link this pumpkin muffin recipe for you guys. It was so freaking good. So I'm just putting a different cupcake liner in each of these little holes, so they'll each be a little bit different. I think it turned out really stinking cute, if I do say so myself. And I did make 12, like this recipe does make 12 perfect muffins. But the cake box, I was giving these muffins to my neighbors as like a fun little seasonal treat. I do that all the time. And the cake box only fit 9. So we had 3 for ourselves. So we got to taste test. And oh my gosh, these were so freaking good. So definitely going to link the recipe below. I highly, highly recommend trying it. And I highly recommend making fun seasonal gifts for your neighbors too, if you're into baking and stuff. I love to bake. I love to make stuff for other people. It's the perfect combination for me. And not to toot my own horn or anything, but I think I'm my neighbor's favorite neighbor because I give them food all the time. I just put like 5 or 6 red food coloring drops in here, and it made this like weird brown color, which I think is cool enough, good enough. I wish I had black, honestly, but whatever. And then I'm kind of just making each one a little bit different, just because I can. I'm gonna put ghosts on this one. And I'm gonna put one of these tombstones. Why not? Ghosts are at, you know, the graveyards. How stinking cute is that? That is so cute. So once they were all done, I put them in this cake box. This was $1 at Walmart and it only fit 9. And I tried to put a mix of different decorations in there. And I just think they turned out so stinking cute and they taste amazing as well. So that is just a great little seasonal gift. And you're also about to get a nice little glimpse into why I can never make fun, aesthetic, cute videos. So that is what is going on in the background of basically all of my videos and why I do voiceovers and music for all of my videos. So yeah, it's chaotic over here, but we still get things done, and that is just real life. So I got these really cute wall cutouts in the seasonal section at Walmart. They were $2, and I just got them to basically put little notes. The thing is, I know that I have silver and gold paint markers somewhere, so I was going to write on the ghosts, but I couldn't find them when it came to the time. So I just stuck the ghosts on the box and then wrote on the box with a Sharpie, which still turned out so cute, but it would be even cuter. So take my idea. These little cutouts were $2. There's 12 of them, and you can stick them to any gift box or anything like that and just write Happy Halloween, and they would be so stinking cute. So I took those over to the neighbors and just had a nice little seasonal gift over there. So now we're moving on to the cleaning. I just thought, what better time than now? This cleaning closet next to my kitchen and my kitchen were just driving me nuts. They both needed a deep clean and organized. So that is what we are about to do. For this cleaning closet, I just took everything out, and it just needed to all come out and go back to where it's supposed to go, or just get reorganized a little bit better. So that's what I'm doing. My husband did recently put up this thing that you see on the side right here that holds like your brooms and stuff. So I was just putting everything in there that like belongs, you know, on there, like our little mops and our broom and stuff like that. And then I'm just taking everything out. This is a closet that's for like overflow cleaning supplies. I have a lot of my like to-go containers in here and like the single use, because I make food for other people so often. I have a lot of like those tinfoil pans with the plastic lids so that you can just close them up and give them to people. All that goes over here. The vacuum, the dog food, and like all the dog treats and stuff are going to be in the black box that you see. So I'm just trying to get everything reorganized. I kind of just start throwing things in here and then it just gets to be a cluttered mess. So I'm taking most of the stuff out and I'm going to vacuum. The floor here is very dusty, lots of dog hair and spilled dog food. So I'm vacuuming really, really well. And then I'm just going to start putting back everything in a really organized way, I'm going to move the dog treats from where they were up to the top and just have it up there with my little tinfoil pans and have all the cleaning supplies down below and then the dog food at the very, very bottom. And that was perfect. I had a couple seasonal containers that I also like to get those from Hobby Lobby when they go on sale. They're so stinking cute. And again, I love to give away stuff like baked goods. So those are really great if you're going to give away like cookies or gift bags or something, or just little random treats to put in those cute little bags. They are fall themed. That's why I didn't use it for this little Halloween little gift that I was giving, because they're like ultimately fall themed, the things that I have. Anyway, I went and put those in my seasonal box that I have of all of my seasonal decorations with all my other like Thanksgiving and fall decor that I wasn't using, because I thought that made a little bit more sense. And then I do like to also put my pictures at the top here just because it's really the only place that fits nicely in my house. So that is the closet cleaned out and reorganized, looking so much better. And then I wanted to wipe down the door as well. And then I just got on a wild hair. I got that cleaning spray and that rag in my hand, and my kitchen has been needing a deep clean for a while now. I don't know what was going on, but it was just looking so bad. So here I am, just going for it. I am wiping down everything, the cupboards, the appliances, every single ledge, square inch is getting wiped down today. After that is all done, that is the kitchen cleaned and reorganized. I finally remembered to do some before and afters. That was the disaster before and the amazing after of a nice deep clean in here and a nice deep clean and reorganize of this crazy closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still cleaning along with me, I have an entire playlist of cleaning motivation right here on the screen and always linked down below, as well as my other YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my TikTok if you want to follow me everywhere. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.